Solving simple equations. Equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. So to express this equation, let me give you an example. So let's have the example 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Equal means is equal to, and 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. The symbol equal tell us that the value of the left-hand side is equal to the value of the right-hand side of the equation. So first, let me show you where is the left and the right-hand side of the equation. So the left-hand side of the equation is this 3 plus 8. And the right-hand side is the 11. So, before the equal sign, yun yung ating left-hand side of the equation. And after the equal sign, that is the right-hand side of the equation. And this whole one, so, etong 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 is called equation. So, buo po yan ay equation. So, paano ba yung sinasabi natin na the equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. So, first expression natin ay yung ating 3 plus 8. So, ito yung first expression natin. And then, the second expression natin yung after the equal sign, which is 11. So, we will see or we will going to prove if these two expression are equal. So, paano ba natin mapaprove na equal tong dalawang expression natin? So, isa-solve lang natin yung left and right side. So, first nating isolve ay yung left hand side of the equation. So, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Then, copy the sign na equal. Then, since wala naman tayong isa-solve dun sa ating right-hand side of the equation, we will copy it. So, if you see, it is true. So, tama yung ating equation that 11 is equal to 11. So, next example natin is 6 times 5 is equal to 30. So, to prove that this equation is equal, so dapat yung left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation ay pareha siya ng value. So, first, let's solve the left hand side of the equation, which is 6 times 5 is equal to 30. And then, equal to 30. So, therefore, this equation proves that two expressions are equal. So, let's have another example. So, this example is different from the example a while ago. So, solve for the missing number in this equation. So, dito sa ating equation, may missing number. So, 50 is equal to blank plus 23. So, what are we going to do is to find the missing number where if you will add the missing number to 23, dapat equal siya sa ating left-hand side of the equation, which is 50. So, therefore, we are going to find what number is missing. So, meron tayong mga way paano natin makukuha. So, pwede natin gamitin yung ating inverse operation. So, if we are going to find the missing number here, so pwede nating transpose itong 23 to the other side and then i-convert natin na minus siya. So, therefore, 50 is equal to 50 minus, so subtract natin para makuha lang muna natin yung missing number. So, 50 minus 23 is equal to 27. So, yung 50 minus 23 natin is equal to 27. So, kung ano yung makukuha natin dito, ito yung ating missing number. So, therefore, kung i-check natin siya, so ang mangyayari ay 50 is equal to 27 plus 23. So, dapat equal yung left and right hand side of the equation. So, 50 is equal to, so you are going to add this. So, 27 plus 23 is equal to 50. So, ayan po yung pag-check natin kung tama po ba yung ating sagot sa ating missing number. So, next is example number 2. Write the missing number inside the rectangle to make the equation true. So, kailangan maging true itong equation. So, ano ba yung pwede nating number dito na ilalagay sa ating missing, sa ating rectangle para makuha yung 56? So, again, we can use the inverse operation in solving this kind of equation. If dito is multiply and then nawawala yung isang multiplier natin, then we will use the division method. So, what are we going to do is to divide 56 sa ating 8. So, 56 divided by 8 is equal to, yan. So, ilang 8 meron sa 56? So, we have 7 8s in 56. So, therefore, 7 times 8 is equal to 56. So, the missing number natin ay yung quotient natin, which is 7. So, to check, so, paano ba natin siya i-check? So, ang gagawin lang natin is to solve both left and right hand side of the equation. So, 8 times 7 is equal to 56. Then, copy the sign, which is equal. Then, copy this one, 56. So, therefore, we prove that the equation is true. Dahil 56 is equal to 56. So, now let me give you another example in other situation. Solve for the missing number to make this equation true. So, kung makikita nyo, sa ating left and right hand side of the equation, meron tayong isosolve both. So, not unlike dun sa example natin kanina, one number lang yung nasa left or nasa right hand side of the equation. Pero ngayon, meron na tayo like this. Magmumultiply tayo dito and also this. So, paano ba natin mahahanap yung missing number kapag ganito na yung ating equation? So, first, we will solve the left side of the equation. So, kung ano yung pwede muna nating isolve. So, eto pwede nating isolve, which is 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So, 8 yung sagot dito. Then, equal siya sa blank times 1. So, ano kaya yung pwede kong i-multiply sa 1 para ang maging sagot niya ay 8? Kasi dapat ang mangyayari ay 8 is equal to 8. So, ano yung pwede kong i-multiply sa 1 to get the product na 8? So, yung sagot natin ay 8 dahil any number that you multiply to 1 is the number that you have. So, when we multiply 8 sa 1, the answer is 8. So, therefore, the missing number is 8. So, now let's move on to second example. So, example 2 is, write the missing number inside the rectangle to make the equation true. So, like what I said, isolve muna natin yung pwedeng isolve. So, since missing yung nasa left, right hand side of the equation, so hindi muna natin siya isolve. So, dito, so pwede na natin siyang isolve. So, 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. So, 5 yung sagot dito. So, to prove that dapat 5 is equal to 5 siya. So, ano yung pwedeng ilagay ko ditong number dito sa ating missing, sa rectangle natin, which is missing number, para ang magiging sagot niya ay 5. So, pag dinivide ko ba yung 20 sa 1, 5 ba yung magiging sagot? So, we need to see the number that if you divide 20 to that number, ang magiging sagot ay 5. So, ano ba yung number na pag dinivide natin sa 20, 5 ang sagot? So, that is the 4. So, yung number 4, yung pwede nating i-divide sa 20. So, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So, therefore, the missing number is 4. And we prove, because if we check the left and right hand of the equation, the answers are equal. Next is, let's proceed to another example. So, solve for the missing number to make this equation true. So, meron tayong mga given dito. So, first is 2 times 6 is equal to 4 times blank. And then the other one is 2 times 6 is equal to 24 minus blank. So, kung nakikita nyo, marami tayong different way in this equation. So, kung makikita natin, ito both multiplication. Then, the other one is multiplication and subtraction. So, first, let's solve for the missing number dun sa ating first example. So, first, isolve muna natin itong 2 times 6. So, 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Then, equal siya sa 4 times blank. So, ano yung pwede kong i-multiply sa 4 para ang magiging sagot niya ay 12? Kasi, di ba, dapat 12 is equal to 12. So, again, sa ating equation, the statement of the two, it is a statement of a two expression that is equal. So, ito yung dapat equal. So, ano yung pwede kong i-multiply sa 4 para ang magiging sagot niya ay 12? So, that is 3 because 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So, therefore, the missing number is 3. So, next nating example ay ang ating 2 times 6. So, same din siya. So, 2 times 6 is equal to 12. And then, equal siya sa 24 minus. So, ano yung pwede kong number na pag minus ko sa 24, ang sagot niya ay 12. So, 12 is equal to 12 dapat. So, if we are going to subtract 11 sa 24, so, ang magiging sagot natin ay 13. So, hindi siya 12. So, the answer is 12. So, if we subtract 24 minus 12, the answer is 12. So, therefore, the missing number is 12. And we also check that the answer 12 is correct. Next example, write the missing number inside the rectangle to make the equation true. So, first is, let's solve the right-hand side of the equation. Dahil ito po yung walang missing number. So, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Then, equal siya dapat sa 20. So, ano yung missing number na kapag minus ko yung 100 sa kanya, ang sagot dapat ay 20. So, that is 80 because 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. And we check that 20 is equal to 20. So, yung sagot dito sa ating left side of the equation, dapat equal din siya sa sagot natin sa right hand side of the equation. So, ganun lang po yung pagsasolve ng ating simple equation.